So now we got the shell all chucked up and it's spinning. It's a little out of round, but it's nothing to be worried about. Looks safe enough to work on. So I'm gonna grab some sandpaper now and we're gonna start doing a little sanding.
At what grit do you want to start at? Or are you going to start at?
I'm gonna start at a 220 grit. We're gonna work our way up from there. So I went ahead and I took my watch off. I took my long sleeve shirt off because I don't want to get caught up in this and anything goes wrong. And I got some 220 grit. We're gonna go ahead and start polishing it, see, working our way on down the shell, see how it turns out.